Hey guys, it's Justin. This is ticket number 202 of the Fat Cat Tripler from the Ohio Lottery. Match your numbers, cat numbers, win that prize. If you get the 3 times symbol, you win 3 times the prize automatically. If the bonus box reveals a cat symbol, you win 20 automatically. The odds are 1 in 4.23. We're down $4 on the day, so hopefully we get a winner here. Four. Damn it. I accidentally made the mistake of looking through the screen of the webcam and I scratched off the wrong area of the ticket. Sorry about that. 20, 7, and 6. And we do not have a winner again. But I do appreciate you watching.